Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So the other day I was on Amazon and I started adding items to my cart that were all under $10. And I thought they would be a perfect addition to just about anybody's EDC, whether they are a standalone item or maybe even something that's complementary to their current EDC. And I came up with 10 items, which I don't know if they're duds or they're going to be great items. We'll have to decide that together. I have yet to take a look at them. But I also have two other items that I picked up a little while ago that I thought I would show you, and they would be perfect for this video here. Let's start with the first one here. This is the Mend 2 Sharpie marker, and it's actually not a marker. It's a pokey bit. And that's a piece of metal right there. And it's extremely pointy. And gotta be careful. It would be very easy to puncture the skin and draw some blood. But that is the Mend 2. That's a G10 self-defense pen, and came in at $8.29, and it had 27 reviews, and it got a 4-star review rating on Amazon. So that's the Mend 2 G10 self-defense pen, and I will leave links to all these items in the description, but I can't guarantee they will all be there or they will all be at the price that I will state in the video here, because actually one of the items, since I purchased it and received it today, it has actually gone up a few dollars. So that one, I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to just assume that it was under $10. But next item, this is the Swiss Q clip and carry keychain case, and I picked up a 2-pack of these for $9.98, and I have the other one here, and I've been carrying it on my keychain here. And what it is you put your classic SD Swiss Army knife in it, and it holds it just perfectly fine. It clips it in there, and I have yet to lose this knife. It's been on my keychain for a few weeks now, and it's been a great EDC, or a great add-on to my EDC. Pretty nifty. So I picked that up, 2-pack for $9.98, and it has 186 reviews and a 4.1 star review rating. Next items, let's break into. These are still sealed, so I don't know what's in the bag. What do we have here? We have knives and GW knives. Still don't know what this is. Very curious. Okay, I know what this is. This is the small pocket knife, 2.36 inch folding with a money clip. Wow, it's very greasy, very oily. So, well, it's actually nicer than I expected. This came in at $9.99. Don't know what kind of metal it is, but it had 1,502 reviews and 4.3 stars. So I gotta say, it's actually much better than I was expecting. Definitely a decent EDC item. Probably very cheap metal, but pretty cool nonetheless. Actually, it says 420 steel, and I'm gonna guess made in China. But that is the small pocket knife, 2.36 inch folding with money clip, $9.99. Next item, and I gotta package these all separately. Alright, we have the Through Night pen. This is the mini bolt action pen, 107 reviews, 3.7 stars, $9.98. Okay, it comes with a chain, pretty nifty chain, and a extra cartridge maybe. That's pretty small. Yeah, that is an extra cartridge. And how does she write? The bolt action is nice. It's nice and smooth. There's a little plastic or wax cover on the tip, of course. Not too bad. And mind you, still has some crap on the tip I'll have to get off later, but it writes pretty smooth. That's the Through Night mini bolt action pen for $9.98. Comes with the chain and an extra cartridge. Pretty nifty. Chain's nice too. Let's see, 0.39 ounces, aluminum alloy, and silver necklace. 1 refill. Pretty cool. That's definitely a solid buy. Moving right along. Got a lot to go through here. This is a heavy one. Alright, so this is the first aid. This is the General Medi mini first aid kit. Again, this is the item that I picked up, and it was $9.99, and as of today it's now $13.88. So I apologize for that, but it is what it is. And I do have to say, I am pretty impressed with this. I mean, it has alcohol prep pads, first aid purpose, cotton tipped applicators. It has a CPR mask, first aid, looks like some sort of instructions. And maybe not instructions, but 110 pieces, useful and valuable hospital grade medical supplies. And if you want to take a screenshot of that, or pause it, and you can take a look at everything in here. But it has everything from a CPR respirator mask to emergency blanket to moleskin, scissors, and a bunch of other stuff here. So I'm not going to pull everything out because it is nice and neatly packed, but it did come in this nice first aid bag. Pretty cool. So that is the General Medi mini first aid kit. Again, $9.99 when I purchased it. Currently $13.88. 8,096 reviews, and it has a 4.7 stars. So it might be worth the extra, the $4 that it costs currently. So next items are in boxes. I got a bunch of items here. So we have the Lumin top flashlight here. And this is the EDC 01 keychain flashlight, $9.99, 120 lumens, 3,565 reviews, and 4.4 star rating. Made in China. So it does come with a diffuser, which is pretty cool, and keychain. It is a AAA battery flashlight, and does not come with a battery. Do I don't know. Hey, look at that. Sometimes I even surprise myself. I even have a battery here. Okay, so that's low as, looks like 3 modes. Medium, low, high, medium. Pretty cool. It has some extra gaskets. I like the fact that it comes with a diffuser. So, max output 120 lumens, and $9.99. Another EDC flashlight. So this is the Kunhe K2 rechargeable 1000 lumen flashlight. 302 reviews, 4.6 star review rating, $9.99. We've seen an awful lot of these style flashlights. It is Type C charging. Cool. Guessing that's a magnet. That's a magnet. 1000 lumens purportedly, and we have the on-off button. Ooh, sorry about that. That's pretty nice. I do have to say that's a decent item. That it comes with a USB Type C cable and dual LEDs. Looks like it has mode memory. That's nice. I do give them credit. That's a nice flashlight for $9.99. 5 modes. I like the user interface. You have an on-off button, and then you also have a brightness or mode button. Pretty nice. Very simple. Very bright. Good job. I like it. So this is the Porta USB data blocker. So the whole idea of this is if you're in an airport or a coffee shop or wherever and you need to charge your phone, there is always the risk where whatever you plug your phone into could pass your data along to a nefarious subject. So you plug your phone into the wall, you plug your phone into some sort of USB outlet to charge it. Now somebody could technically come along and have put a device there that would capture all your pictures, all your data off that phone prior to you using it. And this right here, this will just, you put this in the line between your phone and the wall or the charger, and this will block any sort of juice jacking. They call it juice jacking, and you can charge your phone with no issues. So that is the Porta USB data blocker, and I picked this up for $6.49, 674 reviews, and a 4.5 star review rating. Something pretty cool. So this is actually a multi-tool. If I could find it, it's the Cab Uj multi-tool 6-in-1, 6 reviews, 3.3 star rating, $6.99. Which, looking at it so far, I'm going to say I don't know why it got such a low review rating. I mean, for $6.99, we have a whistle and a ferro rod. And the whistle works pretty well. So we have a knife. We have a flathead and a bottle opener. And we also have a Phillips head. And also some sort of lanyard ring right there, as well as the pocket clip. So I don't know why this got such a low rating, because it's actually a fairly decent pocket tool. You have your whistle, you have your ferro rod, you have your knife. It's not, well, I mean, once you work it in, it could be one-handed opening. It does lock. There's a frame lock. I gotta say that this is pretty decent for $6.99. So, and if I'm reading my notes correctly, it is the Cabbage, I don't know, multi-tool 6-in-1, $6.99. The 13-piece pen screwdriver here. This, where is it? The Rido small screwdriver, $7.19, 13-in-1, 98 reviews, 4.8 star review rating. So that's actually a pretty decent rating. Wow. Holy hell. Are we serious? Wow, I like it. So this is the Rido small screwdriver, $7.19. I can see why I got a 4.8 star review rating. Look at that. Two-sided bits, plus you have a 1/4 inch or maybe a 4mm wrench there. That is pretty amazing for what I paid. Well, let's take a look at this. Get in there. I'm thinking that is a magnet. Holy moly. That is a magnet. So we have a magnet on this end. We have a magnet that holds the bits in. We have a pocket clip. So, Rido. Very impressed. And it came with a sheath. So you can see what bits we have here. Right. So this, wow, this is a lot bigger than I was expecting. This is the Pocket Shark by Cold Steel. And this is a felt tip pen, supposedly $6.95, 414 reviews, 4.4 star review rating, made in Taiwan. Go on, open up. Okay, it's a screw off. Whoops. Wow, look at that tip versus how big this thing is. Wow. That's an awfully small tip for the size of this marker. And very interesting that it's a screw-on cap. At least you know it's not going to go dry with that cap on. But that's the Pocket Shark by Cold Steel. That is coming at $6.95. Cool. A lot bigger than I was expecting. One last item. See if I can find it on my notes here. So this is the belt tool pouch holster. $9.99. 72 reviews, a 3.8 star review rating. Okay, so why did it get less than 4 stars? Let's find out. So we have a zipper on the front, not a YKK zipper. Hook and loop. We have a pocket here, a pocket here, pocket here. Very interesting. A lot bigger than I was expecting, but $9.99, not terrible. Pretty darn good, actually, if that's what you're looking for. So you do have your belt loop here. And to give you some context of how big this is, so we do have this would be the size of a normal Sharpie, so that would fit right in there. We have log and jotter that can fit in the back, size of the knife here. So I have to say that mostly winners here. I mean, there was nothing that was really disappointing. You know, flashlights were good. Both flashlights were great, actually. The Lumin top pen. This right here, this was not quite what I was expecting. I was expecting a little bit smaller, but still good. This right here, this 6-in-1 multi-tool. Again, sharp enough for the average person, I suppose. Has a pocket clip. No real disappointments. And the clear winner here is the first aid kit. Holy mother, that's a pretty decent first aid kit. Quite a few of these items are going to go to my EDC. But let me know down in the comments what you think. Let me know if there's a clear winner here, or if you feel like there's any losers here. But I want to thank you for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. I have a mess to clean up here, but it was worth it. So as always, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you next time.